Hello there, what is up? Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. Today we're going to be unboxing, here we go. Today we are going to be unboxing a Magical Pick-Me-Up subscription box. Magical Pick-Me-Up is a Disney themed subscription box that is shipped straight to your doorstep all the way from Hong Kong Disneyland. There are two different tiers of Magical Pick-Me-Up. There is the mini Magical Box and then there is the Magical Box, which is what we are going to be unboxing here today. I am going to be linking in the description box down below the Magical Pick-Me-Up website, as well as my playlist of previous Magical Pick-Me-Up boxes. You can binge watch that playlist after you watch today's video. By the way, if you are enjoying today's video while you are watching it, please do hit that like button. It is a free, really small, really quick way that you can let me know that you are liking today's video. You would like to see more Magical Pick-Me-Up unboxings, and it will let YouTube know that people are enjoying this sort of video and will let them know that they need to show other people this video so those new viewers can join our community. Open it up together. Postcard on the top with a handwritten note. We have Mickey and Minnie and Donald and Daisy visiting Hong Kong Disneyland. So I do have to say I have very little impulse control when it comes to opening up my subscription boxes. And I went to open it last night, only got as far as reading the card, started tearing up, put it away, like happy human tears, not that I was upset. So Olivia always writes a handwritten note on the back of these cards, and it says, "Happy birthday, wishing you a magical birthday, and may all your dreams come true. I've included a small birthday cake for you." So this is really cute. That really touched me. My birthday, if this is going up the day that I'm intending it to, my birthday was actually yesterday. So very cute. So first I'm just pulling out the little birthday surprise. It's so cute looking. So I think that I'm actually going to cut this out and put it in one of my journals just because I think it's such a cute container. Oh. It was like one of those little fun things that like you kind of put together. So it comes with a box that you can put it in, and it comes all wrapped like this. Let me put it together. Alright, so were you trying to guess along with, as I was building it, which one it was? It's super cute. Oh my goodness. Alright, so it's Stitch. He's looking so cute and so adorable. Oh my goodness. Side note, putting this together also brought me back to my childhood because I was a really big fan of Polly Pocket. And Polly Pocket, at least in the 90s, Polly Pocket was very, very tiny and you had to like place her everywhere. So definitely brought me back in time. Next up in the box is a classic Disney souvenir. It's a Disney ink pen. I have many of these from Walt Disney World, but not one from Hong Kong Disneyland. Got another toy. So this is from Pop Mart, and I received in a few boxes ago a tiny Woody doll. It looks like it was in a packaging similar to this, and this is Mickey and Friends in the Pool Party series, and it looks like I got Daisy, which I feel is a very underrepresented character as far as park merchandise. Look how cute all of these designs are. Adorable. There's something about like look at Scrooge McDuck. There's something about Scrooge McDuck with a flotation device around him. Ooh, outside it says Daisy. The card inside says Pluto. Let's see who it is. It's Pluto! So Pluto with the floaty donut. Exactly know what they're called. And then his little snorkel. And his ears up. How cute! All right, and so this was the bag that I said, oh, it's a bag that I was talking about, and it cleverly contains, feels like something breakable. So here is that bag, love it. Always love reusable bags and pouches like this. And the inside of the bag is like a 2-in-1 sort of pouch. There is this section or the larger section. Inside was something breakable. Inside was a mug. So the Pluto love is continuing because on the handle we have Pluto right here. I really love the characters in ride vehicles, so I like Mickey and Minnie are in their teacup here. This is sweet. We have the castle. And then the back, and it says, I heart Mickey, which I definitely do on my trip to Disney World that I took in June. Those vlogs, by the way, I don't think they're all currently up, but I'll list that playlist down below if you wanted to check out my vlogs from that trip. I saw Mickey twice, on my first day and my second to last day. And the first day it was just like, yay, look, it's Mickey and friends. But the second to last day when I walked into Epcot and I saw him and he was dressed in his normal, like normal Mickey attire, like, you know, like the 3-piece suit sort of thing. I lost it. Like I lost my mind and just started crying because it was just like, oh my gosh, it's Mickey Mouse. And I don't know why. It was just such, it was emotional. Let me just say. So yeah. Definitely do love Mickey. Once again, yet another month that I loved everything that came in my magical pick-me-up box. Let me know what you thought about this box in the comments down below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of your day with me. If you have not done so already, please do hit that subscribe button and ring that bell before you leave here today. That way YouTube will let you know each and every time I upload a new video. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in another video. Goodbye!